Hey guys, Mike Liddicoat here, Wicker Realtors Upraise. Today we're talking about open houses. A lot of people question, are open houses worth doing? Both buyers, sellers, and agents ask these questions. So I'm doing an open house today in the beautiful community of Sterling Grove, and we're going to talk about exactly that. So come on inside and we'll talk about whether open houses work or not. All right, so I decided to come out in the backyard because, quite honestly, the weather is gorgeous today. Hello, Arizona, right? So the question is, do open houses work? Are they worth doing? I'm going to say yes, they are. For the seller, it allows you to give the home a lot more exposure. Some agents, they will say, I don't do open houses. It's not worth my time to sit there. Well, you have been hired to do whatever you can to market and sell someone's home. This really should be a part of it. I had one agent say that open houses don't work. And here was their proof. There were several open houses done in a community, and none of them went under contract that day. That makes no sense, no logic. That's like saying, well, I went to the gym once and I'm still fat. Well, yeah, no kidding. It's not just once. It's the extra exposure over and over and over again. Just like your exposure at the gym. You keep going, you have results. So it also gives buyers an opportunity. They might be driving by, they see the sign, they pull in and they're checking out a home that they didn't even know about. In fact, they may barely have been talking about wanting to buy a home, and they see the sign and say, you know what, let's just go check that out. We've kind of been talking about it. And now they have a chance to come in. So I got some people walking in to the open house right now. So I'm going to go help. All right, I'm back. Had a couple of people come in looking at the house. They are staying in the community, checking out potentially moving here. We're walking through the neighborhood, saw the signs, came in to check out the home, really liked the home. So I'll follow up with them and see what happens. But that's exactly what I'm talking about. Those people may not even have ever known about this home because they're only talking to the builder. And the builder is not going to talk about houses that are for resale in the neighborhood. And I'm not going to leave it to chance like some agents do that they might find it on the internet. So I'll personally be here giving the home the exposure that it needs, doing what I feel is my due diligence for my clients to help them get it sold because that's what they hired me to do. So do open houses work? Yeah, I think they're a great opportunity to give the home extra exposure, to be able to talk to people rather than on the internet. They're just looking here. I'm able to talk to them, give them a little tour, give them some details. Since I live in the neighborhood, explain more amenities about the neighborhood and why I love living here, my wife and I. And some sellers expect that you're going to do open houses. And if my seller wants me to do open houses, I'm going to do them. If they don't want me to, I'm going to encourage them to. But if they ultimately say no, then we won't do open houses for that particular home. Do they work? Yes, I believe they work. It was a perfect example of people that showed up that would not have known about this house otherwise, and there may be some potential for them to actually purchase it. So anyway, hope you found this beneficial and helpful. Have a fantastic day.